Should you buy the unlimited specialty dining package? Lots of samurai swords outside Izumi. I'm assuming that's the restaurant there. Close to our room, so that's awesome. I don't know how well this will show up, but that's the menu. In my opinion, on Symphony of the Seas, yes, you should definitely buy the specialty unlimited dining package because there are so many restaurant choices on the Symphony of the Seas that you could eat at a different restaurant every night. And also, because the main dining room situation was terrible. It was so terrible. There was a line every night, even especially for the My Time dining. And in the specialty restaurants, which is pretty much all we ate in, it was never a line. We went right in. It was never crowded. It was awesome. So I definitely, on Symphony of the Seas, get the dining package. We're at the Bionic bar. The robots are making a drink. Cookie's making a drink. I'll be making one soon. My drink is ordered. Robots are working on it. That's them working on my drink. Your name is up there. Are you sure it's mine? Get back in case the robots get angry. They're confused. When your drink's ready, you put your card down here. And here it comes. Whoop. It's like Japan. We're in the Central Park area. There's lots of little places to sit down and rest. We got our Bionic drinks.
One bar down.
One bar down, 20 to go. Originally on this cruise, we planned to go to each bar, all 23 of them. Here's a list of every bar. And, well, that didn't happen because this happened. So Zach just hit Prime in the Casino Royale. And apparently when you hit that, you get free drinks. Free drinks! Woohoo! Not paying for drinks anymore. Not in the casino. There's more of Central Park. 120 Central's right over here. And across over there is Chops. Right there is where the moving bar comes up to. We're just chilling and drinking our yucky because the Bionic bar selection was kind of limited, at least in my opinion. It was kind of limited. It's not my kind of drink. The rising bar is currently rising. It rises kind of slow, so it's kind of hard to tell that it's rising. But you get out over there, and then it goes back down again. So we'll eventually get to this. We'll be eating there very soon at Chops. Many of the specialty restaurants are located in the Central Park area, so that if you're looking for them, that's where you'll find them. Look at that. The water slide. There are also bars in the Central Park area. The promenade below us with Starbucks. And included food options like the Park Cafe. So you don't have to pay extra for Park Cafe if you decide you want to go there. Time to go and not eat steak at Chops. Feeling fancy yet? They always bring bread, even though you don't want it, because you're already still full from lunch. They took our first plate, even though nothing was ever on it. We don't know why. We're uncultured. Yes, of course, I've got a chocolate martini. My husband has this drink. We're in a fancy place, and that looks like clowns are about to pop out of it. This just doesn't fit in with the ambiance. Here's my crab cake. I forgot what I got last time, but this time I got a crab cake. And my husband, he got tuna tartare. It's pretty. Hopefully it tastes good. There's a look at the inside. It's pretty good. I like it. It has a nice spiciness to it. Here's my shrimp dish. It's looking pretty tasty. And Zach got a steak and some tater tots. I think I got the tater tots last time. Got some fancy art. I tried very hard not to get stuffed at Chops, and I'm still stuffed at Chops. I didn't even eat dessert. I'm so stuffed. My meal was tiny too. I don't get it. This is why you cruise, people. Look at that. The unlimited specialty dining package costs about $210 per person for a 7-night cruise, and for us it was well worth it. The one time we went to the main dining room, we went for lobster night, and it was super crowded. Every time we passed that area, it was always super crowded and people were waiting, even if they had reservations. And also, you waited a long time in the main dining room just to get served. And by the time you got your food, it was always lukewarm. It never came out hot. Obviously, they're still understaffed. Hopefully that changes. The food was, okay. I remember it in the past. We've been cruising since the 2000s. I remember in the past it being better than it is now. Maybe that's because we've been to more fancy places now, like Gordon Ramsay and stuff like that in Vegas and Atlantic City. So maybe our tastes are better now. But I really enjoyed having the specialty dining package and definitely recommend it to anyone who's thinking about getting it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.